All right, Meredith, so we're gonna do some measurements here. I'm gonna measure your MP joints. So your pinky finger is gonna be about 75. Let's see. Your ring finger is gonna be about 75. This middle finger is, if I had to guess, it's gonna be about 75. Alright, and your index finger is 75. And I'm gonna also do a passive on you. And you can't really go much farther, so it is about 75. Meredith, I'm going to check your hyperextension on your number 3 finger. And I'm gonna get you to bend back as far as you're able. And you've got about 25 degrees of hyperextension. Okay. Meredith, I'm going to test your abduction between your fingers. And so we're gonna do between 2 and 3. So between 2 and 3, you have about 6.5. Oh wait, hang on. You've got about 7 centimeters of abduction. So between 3 and 4, is that as far as you can go? Okay. You've got about 6 centimeters of abduction, and then between your pinky and 5 and 4, you've got about 7 centimeters. For your number 2, I'm going to measure your pip. So your first measurement is going to be 75. Your third finger pip is going to be about 70. Your fourth finger pip is going to be about 80. And then your fifth finger pip is going to be 90. So now I'm gonna do your dips. Oh, do I do here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So your second finger dip is gonna be hold on, Meredith. So I'm going to measure your second finger dips. And this one's going to be about 70 degrees. Your third finger is going to be about 60 degrees. Your fourth finger is going to be about 65 degrees. And then your fifth finger is going to be... All right, Meredith, I'm going to test your flexion of your CMC, so you can flex for me. All right, and that is gonna be about 10 degrees. And then I'm also gonna test your extension as well. So this one's also, I don't remember that. Okay, so now I'm gonna test your extension, so if you could extend for me. All right, and that is gonna be about 20 degrees. I'm going to get you to abduct your thumb. And you've got about 40 degrees. And then I'm also going to get you to touch each finger, if you could, to your thumb. Good job. So if you couldn't do that, I would do a distance measurement between, but since you're all good, we don't want to. Measure your thumb MP, and if you could flex it for me. We've got about 40 degrees for your MP, and then for your IP, you've got about 75. All right, Meredith, so I'm going to get you to flex your hand for me. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna get you to flex again, your MPs, and flex your PIPs and your DIPs. All right, gravity neutral, and do it again. All right, so go ahead and flex. Okay, flex again. All right, I'm going to get you to flex your MPs, and I'm going to give you some resistance. I'm going to get you to push me upwards while I'm pushing you down, okay? All right, so go ahead and go. All right, Meredith, so I am going to give you some resistance while you're going into flexion. I'm going to try to push you into extension for your CMC. All right, now for your MP, and now for your IP. All right, now we're going to do the opposite. So I'm going to push you into flexion while you're trying to go into extension. So for your CMC, your MP, and your IP. So gravity neutral, I'm going to get you to flex and extend your hand. Okay, I'm going to get you to do it again. All right, and again. Okay. I'm going to test your finger abduction. So I'm going to push against and resist my push. Resist my push. All right, perfect. So I'm going to get you to put your hand down in gravity neutral, and I want you to bring your fingers together and apart. Okay. Your finger, your CMC, your thumb CMC, abduction, adduction. So I'm going to get you to push against me when I push against you. All right. We're going to do the same thing this way. All right, Meredith, so I'm going to get you to show me opposition to your index finger as well as your pinky. Okay. Now I'm going to get you to do it again. Okay.